My name is Twan Altena and I am an application engineer at De Hoek van Kerosi. PECM stands for Precision Electrochemical Machining, and the basic principles are based on the first and second Faraday's law from 1832 of electrolysis, which is used for a galvanic process. A galvanic process refers to depositing a metal on a workpiece. This is done by electrolysis, which converts the electrical energy to a chemical reaction. In the case as is shown on this slide, a copper anode is used to apply a copper layer on a metal workpiece, also known as the cathode. The process happens in a conductive fluid. When the electric current is applied, the negative electrons are subtracted from the anode, causing metal atoms to transition into ions. These ions can deposit through the electrolyte onto the cathode. In PECM, a similar process is used between a cathode and an anode, with a conductive electrolyte, in this case sodium nitrate, in between. When the current is applied, in this case iron atoms are transitioned into iron ions. Hydroxide groups are formed at the site of the anode. These bond with the iron ions. The removed material can be seen in the brown circle. It is chemically composed as iron hydroxide. This can be seen on the left image. On the right side, we can see the hydrogen ions and oxygen are formed as a result of water electrolysis. The hydrogen is attracted by the cathode and makes an alkaline layer at the cathode. The remaining hydroxide is attracted to the anode side, which forms an acidic layer. This causes oxidation of the metal. I would like to thank you for your attention and interest in the PECM technique. I will hope to see you later at De Hoek. Goodbye.